So let me show you an example here on the light switch of too much and too little. This is a little over 1 inch, about 1 1/8 of an inch stripped wire. So using that top terminal, we'll go in the clockwise direction. Remember, you always want the wire going in the clockwise direction. So once you're tightening it, it will want to pull the wire in opposed to pushing it out. All right, so that is the example of too much. Now, if I followed the strip gauge, I would strip this much copper. Let's show you what that looks like if you use it for side wiring. Again, creating that J hook. And you can quickly see what issue that's going to come up with. Again, we'll tighten down that screw terminal. All right, so over 1 inch, you can see we start to have exposed copper, especially on this hot side, for a light switch or for a outlet or receptacle is a big no-no. Because what that introduces is the opportunity to short this hot side against maybe a metal box, other wires that are floating around in the box. It's just not going to equal a nice fit and finish install. Likewise, when you have too much insulation, now you start to actually pinch the insulation between the screw terminal, and you're just limiting the amount of contact area for this terminal because now you have insulation opposed to stripped copper. So if you're doing side wiring, you'd want to shoot for about 3/4 of an inch, not like this, which is 1/2 inch, not like this, which is a little over 1 inch, but 3/4 of an inch is what you're looking for if you're going to be doing a traditional side wiring. And then this is an example of doing it correctly on a standard residential grade receptacle. Hot side, you can see our insulation's not going past where we're exposing copper, clockwise direction. On our neutral side, we do not have the insulation underneath the screw terminal, so we're avoiding the too short, and then you can see our bare ground as well. So that's what you'd be looking for on a standard residential side wire receptacle or light switch. So hopefully that helped you out, but if you want to check out a new type of switch and receptacle on the market, it's called a Leviton Decora Edge, and it actually only has these little levers on the side where you'll pass your wire in and then close off that lever, and that's all there is to wiring this type of receptacle or light switch. A pretty cool new product on the market that a lot of DIYers like myself are finding beneficial for their electrical projects around the house. So you can check out that video right there. We'll dive much deeper and actually even open it up and look inside those to see if they're the right choice for your project. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.